Okay, so roughly we have our fretboard with the fret markers carved out. We have the mother of pearl, which is mother of pearl. Okay, nice piece. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, which are these ones are about 3 millimeters. These 4 and these ones are about 4 millimeters. The width is around 180. These one are about 2. This piece will be perfect for here, and here we have to grind down. So we have to cut 3 millimeters of mother of pearl, and I would use the width, so we have to cut it like this, around 3 millimeters, 4 pieces, which will never happen. So I'm marking about 4, and after we cut this 2 pieces, we'll see how it's coming out. Every 5 millimeters I'm marking, because you have to take into account the sole, which is roughly about 1 millimeter or something. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's hope that this will make the small fret markers, and after that we'll think about the rest, and we'll see how it's going. Mother of pearl is very difficult to cut. It's leery, and if you go against the layers it will delaminate. And let us try with some clumping what we can do in and as we continue our quest on our fret marker stairway to paradise, you guessed right, let's do the things right from first time. As you all know, first time is always right, but we will use a little saw. Just first we will clump this like this. Let me make the clump up. Here. Somewhere along the line, the universe will give us another helping hand, because we always need a third one. Evolution. Okay, and if you think you can use a Dremel tool, you are not right, because you are wrong. The Dremel is delaminating this material, and it becomes quickly a big mess. It will never be right on the first try, but this is an opportunity for us to correct ourselves, and when we are correct, the universe will smile at us, and the universe will smile at us and get it wrong. Get it? But this is the way to achieve kindness, and the universe is in need of kindness right now, hiring kind people. So be kind. I'm trying to cut it perpendicularly, and any other way will not work. It's a layered material, and if you get it against the layers, it will delaminate. Take your time, slowly, surely cut it. It will not be perfect, it will not be right, but you will not be judged. You will correct it in place. You have to make 6 red markers. We will use a file to make them to dimension exactly. And this is always the case. It will not be right, but we can correct this. So let's check it. It could be here. It can go here. It can go here. You need more filing for here, and this one are shorter. Okay, so we take some granny paper and continue the work. We need some 60 or 80 sandpaper, and this is the best grit for grinding down such material. It's not big philosophy, you just take the material that is too much to enter in this place. Don't go too fast. Not there yet. Almost the right shape. Change orientation. Maybe something like this. This side is better. Okay, so grind it down some more. Almost there. Almost there. Better go slowly than hurry and to make it a mess. Well, get the idea. You just have to match the recess somewhat. The voids will be filled with dust, and at the end it will be a very good combination between wood and mother of pearl. Both materials will have the errors which we make. As you see, the luthier hobby is a precision thing, so we are making precision thread markers. It took us the best part of maybe 5 minutes. I don't know, we have 5 more times to make it. I'll not bother you, I'll show you the end result. You just make the first right. Okay, we have 1 down and 5 to go. We don't have to show it everything on the camera because you get bored. This is mainly the main process. If it's too wide, you scratch the thread marker. If it's too high, you glue the bottom of the fretboard. This is it. Let's check us out. Up. And we have some sawdust that we can use to put on the sides and use for the other thread markers as well. It's getting on.